How you doing?
I'm just formulating a couple thoughts. It sort of took 4 years. Took a while. And ended quick. What was asked for and what was delivered was justice. The fraud of the university's campaign in collaboration with private right-wing interests, ACTA to be specific, which has transpired over the last 4 years, has been exposed for what it is. The fraudulence of the findings that have been used to impugn the integrity of my scholarship and me personally has been exposed for what it is. I owe that in part to Kaplis and Silverman. I owe it in part to Vincent Carroll. I owe it in part to a number of other figures who have attempted to shape public consciousness in a false fashion. They too stand exposed today, in my view. But more importantly, I owe it to those who have supported me and stood with me, beginning with my family, but hardly ending there, unless you consider family in an extended sense, in the most immediate, direct, proximate, whatever word you'd like to apply, and pick one of those, don't pick another, okay? I owe it to my attorneys, all three of them. They've spoken for me. I'll speak for them, owing to the extent of thanking them. I don't really have a word to encompass the gratitude to three individuals standing here, but I'll let them speak for themselves as to what they feel was accomplished in the process of this trial.
What's next for you?
What's next for me? Reinstatement, of course. That's what I asked for. I didn't ask for money. I asked for justice, and justice takes the form of the things that I've talked about already in terms of exposing the falsity of the university's position, which had nothing to do with scholarly integrity, intellectual honesty, or any of those other high-flown terms that they've been tossing around in a kangaroo court context for years. And the other piece that comes with that, since it's been found by a jury that I was wrongly fired, and it was a politically motivated firing in violation not only of my rights, but of my students' rights and of the community's rights, reinstatement follows rather naturally, wouldn't you say? That's all I have to say at present time. I'm going to go get some silence and a little repose rather than being driven by a process that was imposed on me.